Google Maps just leveled up with Gemini, turning your navigation app into a smart, talking travel companion. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your latest tech news hub. You no longer have to repeat yourself or settle for one-step commands. Just ask for a budget-friendly vegan spot along my route and follow up naturally about parking, popular dishes, or even add it to your Google Calendar. Reporting traffic incidents? Just speak and Gemini logs it, seamlessly saving you from mid-drive fumbling. Directions are finally getting practical as well. Instead of vague turn right in 500 feet, Gemini cross-references Street View and 250 million local spots to give landmark-based guidance. It'll say turn right after the Thai Siam restaurant with the eatery highlighted on your map. It's precise, stress-free, and ideal for highway driving. Even when you're not actively navigating, Gemini has your back. Android in the US, Maps actively alerts you to traffic disruptions before you leave home, so you avoid jams on routine trips. The real game changer is the Gemini-powered Google Lens inside Maps. Put your camera at a restaurant, cafe, or landmark and ask your digital co-pilot questions like what is this place and why is it popular? Or what's the vibe inside? Travelers, foodies, and local explorers now have instant results at their fingertips. With Gemini, Google Maps is no longer just a navigation tool. It's a next-level AI companion. If it lives up to expectations, your phone might just know more about your route than you do. Do you find this update exciting? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.